Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to show you how I installed this 16-inch full lace wig on myself. Alright, so let's get into it. Hey! Alright, so I just cornrowed all of my hair going straight back. And I did the ball cap method. No need for the big forehead jokes, I am aware of that. My man loves it though. So we're just going to cut off the rest of this cap and get to work. Alright, so I'm just taking a cotton ball and sea breeze, basically cleaning my hairline, removing all the excess oil and makeup for a good strong hold. That is extremely important. I don't know what I'm watching here, but yeah, I'm gonna also do it in the back because again, this is a full lace wig, so we're gonna be gluing the back down as well. This is pretty self-explanatory, but I just took 3 layers of Bold Hold Active, thin layers. Very important that it's thin. And I use my tweezers. It just helps me apply the glue better. I don't know why it looks like it's still white, but it was most definitely clear. You'll see that. But I'm just taking my unit, pressing it into the glue. And I'm going to take my elastic band and just tie that down. Let it melt. After I took the elastic band off, you can see that I'm using my little, they're like pedicure scissors, to zigzag cut the lace off of the wig. It just makes it look very natural that way, as you can see right here. And now I'm gonna take all of my clips out. I just love how it curled. It's so freaking cute. It's giving me like a little bit Little Orphan Annie vibes. The black Little Orphan Annie. Baby hairs, honey. It's very important for the baby hairs to look natural. I don't know how many times I'm gonna stress that. Um, Natural. It's gonna take me forever just to lay this one side down because I'm a perfectionist. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now, after I lay the baby hairs down, I go in with my ORS hairspray. It smells so freaking good, honey. It just helps it melt even better. Then I take my black like strip paper. I don't know the name. I have to look at the box. And I just tie it down. So it just helps it set. I take two and let it dry. Man, it's the reveal for me. A wig is not supposed to look like a wig, you guys. You're not supposed to have all that lace or all the excess baby hairs. You're just out here looking crazy at that point. But just check out. Bomb. I like to comb out my baby hairs just to make it look softer. Excuse this stupid ass smoke detector because it's irritating. But I like to comb out my baby hairs just to make it look softer, more realistic. absolutely love my hot comb. I will have it available soon on my website, but I just go in and kind of define the part. I don't know. I just have to do this. And then I just play in my hair until, I'm comfortable. Like, I'm basically positioning it how I want it to go. Have it, you guys. I absolutely love this style because it is a full lace. Look at that. Come on. What lace? Because it's full lace, you're able to do that. And it's period. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me the time of day. I truly appreciate you guys. And if you haven't already, please hit subscribe and like. You guys be blessed. Bye-bye.